Why beginner projects matter in deep learning.
Building beginner projects in deep learning is one of the best ways to gain practical, hands-on experience. These projects help you understand core concepts, develop valuable problem-solving skills, and stand out to potential employers. A well-chosen portfolio can show your commitment, creativity, and familiarity with popular tools and techniques in artificial intelligence.
Image classification with neural networks.
Create a simple image classifier using a dataset like MNIST or CIFAR-10. Start by building a basic neural network that can recognize handwritten digits or objects in images. This project covers data pre-processing, model design, training, and evaluation, a great foundation for anyone looking to understand how deep learning models work on visual data.
Sentiment analysis on text data.
Build a sentiment analysis tool that can determine if online reviews are positive or negative. Use a dataset such as the IMDb movie reviews or Twitter sentiment data. This project will teach you how to process natural language data, use embeddings, and train neural networks for text classification tasks.
Digit recognition with your handwriting.
Collect your own handwritten digits and train a model to recognize them. By making your own small dataset, you'll learn about data collection and cleaning, as well as testing the adaptability of deep learning models. This hands-on challenge shows initiative and a deeper understanding of the end-to-end workflow.
Visualizing neural network predictions.
Go beyond model accuracy. Create visualizations to explain what your model is seeing. Use tools like confusion matrices, activation maps, or simple plots to display model performance. Being able to interpret and explain deep learning models is a highly valued skill in the tech industry.
Showcasing and growing your portfolio.
So document your projects on platforms like GitHub and add clear explanations. Share insights about what you learned and the challenges you faced. A well-presented portfolio not only demonstrates your technical skills, but also showcases your communication abilities to potential employers or collaborators.